Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamped YouTube channel. So hereby I came with a alert. So it's we don't have much time to complete the application for NS Ramaswamy Pre-doctoral fellowship. So that is the cause today we are updating the same video with the in the description box I will give the video which you have made previously. So here the last deadline is about finish. So before tomorrow night 12 13th March is the last date. So once you have to complete the application or else you have to submit the application by tomorrow itself. So I can understand that you are being already filled off, but this is a crucial time where you have to fill all the SOP. So here the SOPs can be it's like a kind of area of interest where you have to give statement of purpose. So and then you have to give two reference from your previous institution. They can be professors whom you met or also good well wishers. From there also you have to get a recommendation, like it's a acknowledgement that this fellow who is being having all the eligibilities and then goodwill to do some research studies and stuffs. So and then the date of interview is been April, in the month of April 22 and 23, and the registration, if you are getting chance to be a NS Ramaswamy fellow, then you will be getting the appointment letter, and then registration date will be June 8. So they are being focused on it, so don't miss a chance. The application cost also less here, so make the payment, complete the application. Don't miss the chance to get admitted into IIM Bangalore. So in this 1 year fellowship, you will be getting a nice amount of 25,000 plus food and accommodation as well as. So please do apply, and then please do subscribe to Revamp It YouTube channel so that you will get instant admission notifications. Thank you.